We are back for another bathroom, so we are working on the master ensuite. We have been busy, so what we're going to do in this bathroom, we have knocked a wall out that was right in front of me, and we are making this bigger, so we're combining a wardrobe and a bathroom to make this huge master suite, and it's going to look a lot better, so come watch what we get up to. So this originally was a vanity. What we're going to do over here is we are going to run a glass screen out here. The shower will go back pretty much where it was. Toilet goes back where it was. We have a big hole here at the moment. So that was a big glass panel with a glass door right into the bathroom, which did not ever really work. So we are replacing it with one big tall long window, and then we're going to get some aluminium louvers on top of that. And what we're going to do is we are going to run a vanity all the way along this wall. We're going to put 2 arch mirrors, some wall sconces, lighting, power, so that will all be run in a stud wall, because we're not going to chase out all the block work, so it'll make it a bit easier to hide all the plumbing for the vanity in.
What we're going to do first is go along with a grinder, and we're going to cut the Villa board, so then all of our tiles on the wall will come off in one big sheet.
Double layer, if we pull on it. Bump it. Close should tap that up. There, check that. Your department there.
We are now up to removing all the floor tiles, so we just go through with 2 little jackhammers and they come up really easy, but that obviously isn't a good sign in a bathroom that they didn't properly stick down from whoever built this bathroom about 20 years ago. So we have just removed them, and then we'll jackhammer off all the glue, and then we'll hit it with the grinder.
Bathroom grade glass. What? Don't lever it off though, you'll snap it. Right, yeah. I've got to be careful here. Where should we put it? On there now?
May as well. I'll get one side.
Just strap it. If it snaps, it'll stuck you. Should we take it?
We'll just put it straight on top and then it's done.
Oh god. What's that snap one? Hey, he's comes.
Big Baz has got it.
Oh, it's screwing it.
Not anymore. What we're doing now is just grinding the current slab back so we have a nice flat ground to lay our timber or our blockwork on. Woo! Bit dusty.
A little bit.
We now grind our floor back so we've got a nice flat finish ready for our waterproofing and our tiles to go onto. This is the current wardrobe in the master bedroom, so what we're going to do is just knock out that wall in the right and strip everything out of it. of our demo work is now complete and we have now finished that. We're going to move on to framing, sheeting and tiling next. So if you like this, keep following along on our journey.